So what can we do about this old truck?
This is the May glove box. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. So for the May glove box, it is a purist takeover, and these products can be bought at Car Supply's warehouse. So I'll have all the links down below if you're interested in these products. We do have a coupon code down here. Enter code GloveBox20 and you'll get 20% off. Or if you're shopping at Car Supply's warehouse and buying anything, use code Miranda10 and you'll get 10% off. You can't combine the two, just remember that. So first off, we have two soft items. This awesome premium wash mitt. I love these types of microfiber soft wash mitts. These are excellent. And this also has the sewn part right here. So when you put your hand in it, you can grab it almost like an oven mitt. So it's easier to grab. It's not going to slip off your hand. We also have a super plush microfiber towel that came in the kit. First item is the pH neutral shampoo. And keep in mind, I already used some of these products. That's why they're not filled to the top. But this is a pH neutral shampoo that can be used for pretty much anything on a protected car or an unprotected car, like this old Toyota Tundra that we're doing. We also have an iron remover. This is a wheel cleaner and iron remover. So it has a little bit more in the formulation to tackle wheels. Now these wheels are brand new TRD wheels. Do I really need to use this? Probably not. I'm going to demonstrate it anyway, but you'll see this product on the channel later on and we'll use it again. And then we have this product, Protection and Gloss. So this is a spray on and rinse off sealant basically. Now, there is some caution with this product that I need to tell you about, so stick around. So let's take a look at this Tundra and get started. It is in for our Diamond, which is just our full interior and exterior detail. So I'll bring you through most of the processes with this detail, especially the exterior. So for the shampoo, I'm going to put maybe 1 ounce to 2 ounces in the foam cannon, and I'm only filling up the foam cannon about halfway. If you are worried about dilutions and you want to make sure that it's perfect, check out the video in the card, and in that video you will find an app that's for Apple only, at least for now. It is a dilution ratio calculator and it helps you dilute your products. Now, before we put the shampoo on, we're going to pre-wash. What's that? Now for pre-washing, my typical pre-wash is just super clean diluted 1 to 10. Use whatever pre-wash you want. There's all sorts of good options out there. I just have been using this one for so long and I have so much super clean that why not? Now here's a couple of tips. You can just spray it on dry. This car was in the garage for a long time, so it's cool to the touch. So I'm not worried about anything staining the paint, even though using super clean like this is not going to cause any problems unless it dries on a hot vehicle. So you have to keep that in mind. Or if there's any damaged parts. We are dealing with old plastic and old paint. If it was a newer vehicle, I wouldn't worry about it. But yeah, this is an older vehicle with some damaged parts already on it. So let's pre-rinse it first. And again, if you're a mobile detailer and you're out in the hot sun, pre-rinsing it just cools it down. It's not a rule. You need to kind of decide for yourself if you need to pre-rinse it or not. There's no cut and dry rule on that. Take in consideration the variables. All right, so let's pre-rinse it first. Now you can choose to do this with a foam cannon too. Just put whatever solution you like in the foam cannon and just foam the entire thing down. Here's just another option. Do what works for you. Only give that about 30 to 60 seconds and then rinse right off. Oh yeah, very, very gritty. Who knows when this thing was washed last? Who knows? Or I shouldn't say just washed, it's detailed or anything. Now for these wheels, this product is probably overkill, but remember, these products are not going to be a super high alkaline or acidic products. So this is actually a great wheel cleaner, but you don't have to worry about it being too aggressive. And I'm also going to be using the Hyper Foam from Hybrid Solutions on the tires and the wheel wells. So a water spot remover on chrome emblems like this, or any type of lettering on a vehicle, it works really well, especially if you do have a heavy buildup of minerals and junk in the letters. You can use an APC as well. That's great, because if there's moldy grime in between the letters, then the APC will handle that. Water spot removers will handle minerals, while APCs and alkaline products will handle kind of more organic matter. But I'm going to hit all of the chrome emblems and any other chromes on the vehicle. And remember, when using a water spot remover, like I said before, just don't let it dry. Use it while the vehicle is still wet and rinse things immediately. That goes with any cleaner or product that you're spraying on the paint. And click on the card in the corner, because this one particular product you're supposed to let dry on the paint. It's an interesting product. So the truck is now cleaned and it's deconned. Now I'm going to protect it with another product, but I am going to demonstrate this just right now on a few panels, just to show you what it's capable of. I am going to spray it on all the wheels, but there is some caution with this product. Do not allow this to dry at all, and do not apply it in direct sunlight if you're not going to rinse it immediately. I mean right away. Spray, rinse immediately. Do not let it sit on the paint at all. I have seen it cause a little bit of staining on the paint that just needs to be rinsed off. And it's just because the sun dried some of the polymers that are in here onto the paint. So just be cautious with that, with any spray on or rinse off products, not just this one. So because the wheel is nice and clean now, there's like a little bit of beating to it. I'm going to spray it on and rinse it off immediately. And as long as you do that, you will have awesome beading and hydrophobics on your paint and anything that this is sprayed on. So we have a completely flat hood here. I'm just going to spray it right there and rinse right away. And now we have instant hydrophobics. So you can do this all around the vehicle. So you get instant hydrophobics. This can be used as standalone, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would use this for maintenance. I'm just demonstrating it on this vehicle right now. but I would use this for maintenance on any waxed, sealed, or ceramic coated vehicles. Just remember, spray on, rinse off immediately. If you can do it in the shade, that's better, or in cloudiness. In direct sunlight, you might have some problems with spray and rinse products like this, staining the paint just a little bit, so just keep that in mind. So for our main protection on the vehicle, I'm not going to rely on that spray. I am going to redo the hood and the fender there and apply a different type of protection. I'll show you what that is in just a moment. And I'll tell you the reasons why I'm going to use a specific type of product in a very specific way. And it's something that I've been doing for many, many years.
So what can we do about this old truck? Well, obviously there's some issues that we can't do anything about. Then watch this video that I'm going to put up in the card and comment down below in that video whatever you want. Just hashtag it gloveboxdetail. You also have to be subscribed to our channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit those like buttons while you're down there. It doesn't matter. Use whatever is your favorite. In this case, we had some Max Shine all-in-one polish, and it applies and performs just like 3D Speed. Remember though that some vehicles have problem areas. This hood needs repainting. Nothing we can do in this detailing service is going to fix that. However, for the rest of the paint, well, this quick polish made a world of difference. Now don't confuse this with our paint enhancement polish. Our version of paint enhancements are designed to remove 50 to 75% of the swirls, while this quick gloss enhancement polish is designed to do just that, gloss up the paint. Now I also hit some of the glass to remove some heavy water spotting. We use P&S Clarity Cream and a microfiber disc. Now the paint looks incredibly glossy. Sorry, I didn't film any of the interior cleaning on this one, but please search our channel for interior detailing videos. We have hundreds of them. Once again, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. Hit that like button and enjoy the next video that I'm going to leave on the screen in just a minute. You don't want to miss it.